Kabul is the economic hub of Afghanistan. This city, with its rich history and cultural heritage, stands as a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. Despite the numerous challenges it has faced over the years, Kabul continues to be a vibrant center of economic activity. Despite years of conflict, it remains resilient, with markets bustling, people trading, and businesses slowly reviving. The streets are filled with the sounds of commerce as vendors call out to potential customers, and the aroma of street food fills the air. Local businesses, from small shops to larger enterprises, are finding ways to adapt and thrive in this ever-changing environment. The economy is centered around agriculture, small industries, and trade. Farmers work tirelessly in the fields, cultivating crops that are essential to the local and national economy. Small manufacturing workshops produce a variety of goods, from textiles to metalwork, contributing to the diverse economic landscape of the city. But in recent years, telecommunications and technology sectors are starting to grow, especially among the youth. Young entrepreneurs are harnessing the power of the internet and digital tools to create new opportunities and drive innovation. This burgeoning tech scene is not only providing jobs but also connecting Kabul to the global economy in unprecedented ways. Kabul is also known for its handcrafted goods, from carpets to jewelry, with local artisans preserving ancient traditions while catering to modern markets. These artisans are the keepers of Afghanistan's rich cultural heritage, and their work is highly valued both locally and internationally. The intricate designs and high-quality craftsmanship of Kabul's handmade products are a source of pride and a significant contributor to the economy. Agriculture plays a major role too, especially in surrounding areas. The fertile lands around Kabul are ideal for growing a variety of crops, and farming remains a vital part of the local economy. From planting to harvesting, the agricultural sector provides livelihoods for many families and ensures a steady supply of fresh produce to the city's markets. Kabul benefits from fruit and vegetable production, particularly grapes, pomegranates, and saffron. These high-value crops are not only consumed locally, but are also exported, bringing much-needed revenue into the country. The cultivation of these crops requires skill and dedication, and the farmers of Kabul take great pride in their work. The economy may face challenges, but Kabul's spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation is keeping hope alive for the future. Entrepreneurs are constantly seeking new ways to overcome obstacles and create sustainable businesses. From tech startups to traditional crafts, the entrepreneurial spirit in Kabul is a driving force for positive change and economic growth. Please like, follow, and share for more Afghan videos on TikTok. By sharing these stories, we can help shine a light on the resilience and creativity of the Afghan people and support the continued growth and development of Kabul's economy. Edit by Amarkel N.